Alright guys, this is part 2. I got the motor in this 2002 Honda Accord. Damn allergies. I got the aftermarket temperature gauge installed. I'm going to show you how I hooked it up. Had some issues a little bit. Had to find the white fuse box to hook it up to. The fuse box I wanted to hook it up to wasn't putting out the power than the other boxes was. I guess that's how the car is set up. But anyway, just turn y'all around. Just pulling like a kitten. That belt right there squeaking a little bit. I want to fix these wires right here because somebody put aftermarket headlights in it. But long story short, right there is where I put that temperature gauge. Alright. I'm gonna take you out to this other motor over here. Thank God, on 2000, I think it's 2000 to 2002, there's a plug right here you can take out. That's your other water temperature sensor right there. But you can put another one right here where the aftermarket one screws into. 98 and 99 has a sensor right here. Well, you can unplug that sensor, delete it, and put your sensor in, and it won't change nothing about the car. Alright? So, that's the easy part. I put it right there. I got the wires ran up here, kind of tucked them away. They can zip down to that amp wire. Go all the way over there. I just went through the same hole they went through with the amp wire. Now here, I'm going to show y'all what I did. Well, it's going to flicker because it's LED. See if I can make it see here. Well, I hope y'all can see that. But yeah, 179 temperature right now. We got 14.1 volts. I'm going to see if I take a picture of it and just put it in the video for y'all because I know it's flickering. I originally wanted to run into this fuse box right here. I put my ground right here. By the way, I tucked the wires through this trim piece right here. I need to clean all that. I put my ground here and I ran in to that 30 amp fuse right there. All these fuses will come on when you turn the key on. When you turn the key on, all these fuses come on here. But the issue I was having was it wasn't giving me an accurate reading on the voltage. It was saying 13.5. It was a 10 volt difference, basically. 1 volt difference. So I was going to the hood, the fuse box on the hood, long story short, all those fuses are hot all the time. So what I did was I gotta have this wire. I had to run a wire. Had to run a wire to your other fuse box in the passenger side door. And I ran it in right there at that 20 amp fuse. Alright. So I'm gonna put it on pause and cut this thing off and show you exactly what I did right here. Alright, so what I did was I just took the fuse out, twisted the wires, and I stuck it in that hole right there. Alright. Now this is where a voltmeter or a test light comes in play. You want the side opposite from the hot leg. Okay? So this, when I turn the key on, that one right there goes hot. Alright? Darn flies. Yeah, when I turn the key on, that leg goes hot. And my phone will focus for y'all. Alright? So when you put the fuse in, the power will go through this. The power will go through, will come in here, go through the fuse, and give you a wire power. And then it gives power to the, I think I wired it into the, I think it was the parking light. Yeah, parking lamp light. Just like, yeah, it ain't nothing. So That's how your fuse will work. Don't put your wire in this side, because if something ever happens in your wire, that fuse won't never blow because you got hot all the time. Put it on the side opposite from where the hot comes in. That way the power goes to the fuse first and then gives you power. Alright? So, but yeah. It ain't too bad. I got some kinks I gotta work out. I gotta hide this wire. I'm gonna hide it on the dash and come over here now. That gauge over there is pretty cool. I got it off Amazon for $14. Ain't too bad. But yeah, like and subscribe my videos. I know it's kind of short, this video is. But yeah. I'm gonna give this car a good washing, because it's white. It's hard to keep your dirty hands off a white car. And I'm gonna give it back to the customer, and we're gonna go on the next one, I guess. I got a Toyota I gotta put a motor in. Somebody asked me to do a video of the splag assembly on one of the V6 transmissions. I'll probably end up doing that in the next video. I gotta find one I got this bad. I can just show y'all. And we'll go from there. Still coming over this head cold I had a while back. My ears keep swinging. So that's why I keep pausing for a second, because I can't hear good right now. But anyways, like and subscribe my video. I'll catch you on the next one.